Oh, I'm so busy. Oh, I'm so busy. Okay. I have time for one video. Listen, here's the thing. How do you stay productive every day? I mean, I get this question a lot, right? From sales professionals all over the world. They get demotivated. They feel sometimes insecure. There are things going on. They didn't close a couple of deals. Listen, let me give you the first trick in how to stay really productive. To stay productive, you just gotta stay busy. You gotta stay busy. And I mean, not stay busy as in stress yourself, just fill up that calendar with more appointments. Write this down. Hey, write it down. Take a pen. I see that you're not taking a pen. Take the pen. Yes, there you go. Write it down. Whoever has the most appointments wins. That's the key. Whoever has the most appointments. So go out there, make more appointments. That is how you stay productive, because the more you as a professional stay engaged, entertain your clients, and educate your clients on your products and services, the more momentum that you will build. You gotta see it as a snowball effect. You gotta see it as you want to bring in more people, engage with more people, talk with more people. And as you do that, you'll stay more productive. So let me give you just 4 steps in how you can do that. First of all, keep connecting with more people. Go to network events. Connect with more people on LinkedIn. Connect with more people on Facebook. At the end, you want to make sure that you go where the people are. And as you go where the people are, that is how you get more connections. Collect those business cards, put them into a centralized CRM. And if you need a good CRM, you can also find us here. We have one of the best in the world, and we're happy to give you access to it. On top of that, you also want to make sure that you follow up with those people. Make those calls, text them, connect with them, send those emails so that you get the momentum, that you get your pipeline rolling. And as you get your pipeline rolling, what is it again? Yes, you're right. Set those appointments. As many as you can, because the more your calendar is filled, the less time you have to worry. The less time you have to think about if your business is going well. The less time you have to worry if your next client will close a deal. Because if this client you don't close a deal, you have another 15 appointments coming up, and one of them you will close the deal. So again, the trick about staying productive is just to stay busy. And by the way, I'm quite busy, so if you don't mind, I have to move on to my next appointment. Start making those calls so you also have enough appointments. See you in the next video. Bye.